Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got colors by Llarowe, I'm So Sure, and some water decals. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails, and this lovely polish by Colors by Llarowe is I'm So Sure. My friend Shannon sent this to me. It's so pretty. It's got shimmer and It's so pretty. So here we go with that first coat. It's singing to me. I love polishes that, I just love this one. Love it. Hi Woody, how you doing? He says he's doing good. And here we go with the second coat of I'm So Sure. Oh. Thank you, Shannon, for sending me this one. I love it. Oh. Yes. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat so we can get some, water decals out and play. It's been a minute since I played with some water decals. Every once in a while I catch that blue flash in this one, even on camera. So this is A692 on the decals, and I'm just going to use a strip of them. Peel back the film and cut them out real quick. And I think I got these off of like AliExpress. I don't remember. It came in like a pack of 50 of them. So I'm going to trim out the different sections here with my little scissors, and I've got my little cup or my little bowl with a cotton round and some water in it, and I'm just flipping those on top of it so they can get damp, and then I'm gonna start fiddling trying to get them on. You see, I always fiddle with these things. I love that image though on that thumbnail. That is so cute. Trying to smooth it out, make sure I like it, and there comes the next one. I love water decals. I just think they're so cute, and it really does make a manicure pop without having to do the stamping or dry brushing or water marbling. And even though I've used them for a long time, I still have issues sometimes. There we go. See? Now that's sticking to my thumb. And I just find it easier to use my fingers and my nails to hold on to them and place them. Them tweezers and I do not get along when it comes to playing with these water decals. There we go. Got another one. These are so cute. Oh, that's so cute. And here's the pinky nail one. See, okay, here we go. We're going to try it with the tweezers. Oh my gosh, it worked. Alrighty, so there we go. I'm going to top it with the Poshe top coat and seal them in. And it's not over yet, y'all, because sometimes I can't leave them well enough alone. But I put this top coat on and I thought, yeah, that's good. I like it. But the junkie in me said, oh no, you're not done. Isn't that pretty? I'll be using the Lena Twirls and Swirls 01, Nicole Diary NS 07, my beauty scraper and my AliExpress stamper, just to add a little something extra to these. Just couldn't leave it alone. There we go. I know y'all see what's on my other hand. That video's coming soon, I promise. There we go. Gonna line that up. I'm just kind of adding a little bit more to the, empty space on the nail. I just You know, I've told y'all before, I get to playing and I don't want to quit playing. I want to keep playing. So that's what happened with this one. A little stamping and some water decals. Girl getting her play on. And I am cleaning that plate with pure acetone, and the stamper's getting cleaned off on a lint roller, as usual. I'm just trying to line it up. And I'm not trying to be perfect and let every nail match, because, you know, the water decals don't match, so the stamping didn't have to match either. Scrape, scrape, swipe, swipe, pick it up, put it on the nail. Use a little piece of tape to get off whatever you don't want. And there we go. Ta-da! So I'm going to clean up with a little piece of tape here. And for the most part, it was coming up pretty well. I'll break out my little cleanup brush and do a little tidying up here. And we're going to use the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Don't want to smear that stuff. And then we're going to top it off with the Poshe top coat. And now we're going to seal it in and call it done. But I really did like this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I do have a swatch photo coming up here pretty soon, so you can see. And Shannon, I want to thank you again for sending me this beautiful polish. Oh, hi, Woody. There's my photo. So that is it for today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.